Welcome to our overview of Saka's customized big data development services, where we explore how our tailored solutions can transform your data management and analytics. In the era of data-driven decision-making, selecting the right partner for big data development is crucial to unlocking the full potential of your data assets.
At Saka, we excel in harnessing the power of big data to drive actionable insights and strategic decisions for businesses worldwide. With decades-long track record in data analytics and tech experts across the globe, we offer a comprehensive range of big data services tailored to meet the diverse needs of modern enterprise. From data strategy consulting and architecture design to implementation to optimization, Sakha provides robust solutions in data integration, processing, storage, and visualization. Whether you're looking to implement real-time analytics, predictive modeling, customer segmentation, or scalable data warehousing, Saka ensures your data assets are leveraged effectively to achieve business objectives.
At Saka, we specialize in delivering big data solutions that are customized to address your specific business needs and objectives. Our expertise covers a wide range of big data technologies, including Hadoop, Spark, and Apache Flink, enabling us to build solutions that handle complex and large-scale data challenges. We utilize advanced tools such as Apache Kafka for real-time data streaming and Elasticsearch for powerful search and analytics capabilities. Whether you need data warehousing, data lakes, or real-time analytics, Saka's solutions are designed to meet your precise requirements. Our process begins with a comprehensive understanding of your data infrastructure and business goals to ensure that our solutions integrate seamlessly with your existing systems. Customization is a core component of our services. Saka tailors big data solutions that align perfectly with your unique data management needs and analytical objectives. We ensure that our big data solutions are scalable, allowing you to manage growing data volumes and perform complex analyses efficiently. Our services include data ingestion, processing, and visualization, helping you gain actionable insights and make informed decisions. Saka also provides ongoing support and maintenance, ensuring that your big data systems remain optimized and effective as your data needs evolve. We prioritize data security and privacy, implementing industry-standard encryption and access controls to protect your sensitive information. Our team is skilled in deploying big data solutions on various cloud platforms such as AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, offering flexibility and scalability for your data operations. Additionally, Saka offers services in machine learning integration and predictive analytics, enhancing your ability to derive insights and forecast trends from your data. We focus on delivering solutions that adhere to best practices and industry standards, ensuring reliability and performance in your big data environment. Saka's commitment to innovation means we continuously explore and incorporate new technologies and tools to offer cutting-edge big data solutions. By choosing Saka, you gain a partner dedicated to your success through customized big data services that address your specific challenges and goals. Don't just take our word for it. Contact Saka today to learn how our tailored big data solutions have transformed the operations of our clients. Their success stories highlight the significant impact of implementing Saka's customized big data services for achieving business excellence.
Whether you are seeking solutions in machine learning, artificial intelligence, big data, blockchain, Internet of Things, or mobile, choosing Saka IT services means investing in your own innovation, customization, and sustained growth. By partnering with Saka, we are not just acquiring IT services. You are investing in the future of your own business. Our personalized approach ensures that each solution is crafted to maximize your operational efficiency and market competitiveness. Take the first steps towards transforming your business by contacting Saka today and experience firsthand the transformative impact of our customized IT solution.
The right big data development services provider can greatly enhance your data capabilities and drive strategic insights. With Saka, you're partnering with a leader in customized big data development, committed to delivering innovative and effective solutions tailored to your needs. Thank you for exploring how Saka's big data development services can propel your business forward. Reach out to Sakha today to discuss how our bespoke big data solutions can address your specific needs and drive your business success. Experience the Saka difference, where advanced big data technology meets personalized service for exceptional results.